We'll guide you through how to find and see your Apple ID password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the situation of where you've forgotten of what your Apple ID password is, and so you want to go and be reminded of it, and you want to go and find and see it. Because of how efficient iPhones can be with how you can go and verify yourself, as in you can go and use biometrics like your Face ID or Touch ID, often you don't end up using your Apple ID password much. And because of this, it's easy to go and forget. So we're going to guide you through how you can try and find it and go and see it. Make sure this full guide, don't go and miss anything, as otherwise you may go and miss how you can go about this. So what we can do is, first of all, you need to go and find the utilities folder. In here, you should go and see an app called Passwords. You can always go and drag down and then go and type in passwords like so. Then you can go and tap on it like this. You need to authenticate yourself. Now, the quickest way to then go and find it is what you can do is you can come down to the bottom where it says search, and you can go and tap there. And what you can do is you can go and type in Apple. Then you can go and find your account at the top, hopefully. You can go and see my email there, and then I can go and tap the password to go and reveal it. It then go and be shown, and I can go and see it. Hopefully yours has been saved there as well. Or you could also try checking is other password managers if you have them. For example, if you go and have a Google account, it may be saved there. So you can come to google.com, press your profile picture in the top right, and press manage your Google account. At the top, press to search, and you can go and type in password, and you can go and find the password manager. Press search, and you can then go and type in Apple, and hopefully you can then go and find it, and you can tap on it. You can go and sign in to verify yourself, and then press the I to the right to reveal the password.